prepping. It is Sunday morning. I normally get up early on Sundays before church and just meal prep whatever is in my fridge for the week, so I don't have to worry about cooking during the week. So I have that stuff going. I wanted some cabbage with smoked turkey, but I didn't store my smoked turkey away properly. I put it in the wrong bags, not the freezer bags, and they got freezer burnt. So I ended up using some smoked turkey bacon to cook down just to get that little smoky flavor. And then the cabbage is cooking down. I have some white rice to go with it because I really wanted that. And I might make some gravy on the side. I don't know. That's just how I was feeling, like the little southern meal. And I have some black rice, but this week I also have some roasted cauliflower. This week I'm gonna do like some buffalo cauliflower tacos. You saw the salmon and the cod. I'll do like some cod fish tacos. The salmon I'll do like a bowl with like I like to mash it up with some avocado, some seaweed, and some white rice. So I'll do that. The black rice, I don't know, I just randomly made it because I kind of want to get into the habit of like cooking everything that I have in my freezer, like, or maybe not so much of the freezer, but like everything in the fridge, so to minimize food waste, because your girl will buy a whole bunch of produce and it'll be sitting there all week, and then on the weekend I'm like, all right, let me try and cook it, and it's molded. So I'm trying to be better like with my food shopping, and when I meal prep, to make sure that I'm cooking everything, I'm utilizing everything before I go ahead and buy it again at the store. So what I've been doing too that has helped me with meal prep is like on a weekend I'll cook a lot. Like I'll do like chicken tenders, those things that can hold in the freezer. I'll like make those in advance, and then when I want it during the week, I'll just pull out the freezer, heat it up, and there's my meal prep. And like, just so I don't have to stop at like a fast food restaurant to get chicken tenders and fries, like those things I like to eat, so that's what I will do. But yeah, I'm gonna let that finish cooking, then I'm gonna get ready for church. I have me some lemon water here. I like to drink that in the morning. But yeah, like, and I need to clean the house. I really don't feel like it, but I am going to clean and reset the week. And I just sleep 1,000 times better. Like I sleep good, but I sleep even better on clean sheets. Well, I already did the bed, but because I started doing laundry on Friday. But clean sheets, clean house, like I just sleep 1,000 times better. And it's hot, and then you under the AC with the fan, so yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm taking a nap after church, and then I'll get up and clean the house. But I've really been giving myself some grace. Like this week, I don't think I went to the gym, and like I came back maybe like 2 weeks ago. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 weeks, and I'm okay with that. Like I'm giving my body rest. God is like, give yourself some grace, because it's like I always feel like I have to do something. Like I have to. And God is like, grace is not justified by works. Okay, so give yourself grace, rest. Like in the seasons when we are healing, like our bodies require a lot of sleep and just resting, you know, and God is shedding me and healing me from perfectionism. So, you know, I'm just like a little baby in the arms of the Lord. Like I'm taking naps, I'm relaxing, like I'm doing what feels comfortable for me, and I'm gauging myself. Like next week I plan to start going back into the gym, but baby steps. I've just been walking a lot, and I'm okay with that. Like I haven't lifted no weights or anything like that, and I'm giving myself some grace, and I love this new me. So do what's comfortable for you, do what is satisfying to you, that's going to grow you personally, physically, spiritually. Like do what works for you, and in the parameters of the Lord. Like wherever God is leading you to, just do it. And just do what feels good to you. Like take care of your temple, take care of your mind, take care of the thoughts that you're thinking. Like everything works together. What you feed yourself, what you put in your body, how you move your body, the thoughts that you're thinking, and what are you telling yourself, how you're speaking to yourself, how you're showing up for yourself. Like all of that works together. But different seasons call for different things, right? And as we grow deeper in the Lord, we're all meeting a different version of ourselves, a mature version of ourselves. And so as we grow deeper with the Lord, we have to fall more in love with God and the person that He has truly created us to be. And it's just a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful experience. And we all are on different walks of life, all different journeys with the Lord. And He just wants to grow us. He just wants to see us happy. He wants to see us content. He wants to see us full of joy. He just wants the best for His children. And so I was a little chatty, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up cooking and then get ready for church. I'll see you guys in a bit.